Welcome everyone. As you all know, CBSE has launched MCQ based objective test in this session 2021 and 22. Now we have to take MCQ type question paper or objective type question paper. In these type of question papers, most tedious works is the evaluation part. We have to check OMR sheets, which is a tedious task. So there is a one software or one application which reduces effort, and this is the free software. So I'm going to discuss that software with you, and name of this application is AbleB. You can download this application from Google Play Store. After download, this is the icon. Now I'm going to open this application. Now you get this type of interface after opening. Now at the bottom there is a tab free sign up and login. You have to click on this tab. After clicking, this of interface will show. You have to sign up with your Google account. Click on this sign in with Google account and create your account in this app. Now after successful sign up, this is the next window. In bottom there is a plus sign. To create a OMR sheet, you have to click on this plus sign. After clicking, this is the next window where you have to choose the roll number digits. Set this roll number digits according to your need. You can decrease or increase the digit by clicking on plus or minus sign. Now next tab is exam set. This means if you want to give series A, series B, series C in MCQ question paper, then you can set your series from here by clicking on plus or minus sign. Then after that there is a subject column. If you have more than one subject, then you can select the options, and then this is the next tab for different sections. Let if there is a science subject, in science subject there are three different sections: physics, chemistry, bio. You can select number of section from here. Let there are questions of 1 marks and 2 marks. Then for 1 marks you have to select section 1, and for 2 marks that is the section 2. Now after selecting these options, you have to click on the next. Now after clicking the next, this is the next interface. Now here you can change the name of sections. Now section 1, let section 1 is 1 mark section, or all question carry 1 marks. You have to select the number of questions and also select the options, how many options you want to give for each questions. Let here is the 5, default is 5. You can change this 5 option to 4. Change the number of questions according to your need, how many questions you want to give. And similarly, marks for correct, already default is 1. You can change according to your need. Similarly for section 2, you can change the options. Then after selecting appropriate options, click the next. When you click the next, this is the view. This is your OMR sheet according to your selection. Now you can save this OMR sheet. Now click on save. After clicking on save, it asks about the class name, exam name. You can choose your class name, exam name, and date of your exam. Then click on save. This is your test, unit test 02. Now in front of unit test 02 there is a key. Now click on this key. When you click on this key, this is the answer key. You have to select the answers according to your questions. After selecting the answers, you have to click on save button and click on unit test 02. When you open this unit test 02, this is the interface. At the bottom there is a sign of scanner. Click on this scanner button. When you click on the scanner button, this is the scanner. Now put your scanner on your OMR sheet and place the scanner such that 4 squares, these 4 big squares, are above the small square which is on the OMR sheet. When you place these 4 squares on the black squares which is printed on OMR sheet, then it automatically scan your OMR sheet and shows the result. it scan like this. Red mark means this is the wrong portion and green mark shows the correct answers. And at the above top portion of the image there is a marks and roll number. Now go back, again click on this roll number which is appear after the scanning. When you click on this number or this tab, it shows the detailed information of the student, and this shows the result section wise. Now scroll down. When you scroll down, it shows the answers of each questions, and with this you can save your time because it in a short time represents the whole results of this. This is the application. You can use this application for OMR checking. Here click on the three dots at the top of unit test. From here you can view your sheet. This is your OMR sheet. Now you can create PDF or download image for printing purpose. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.